Kasi dapat yung year after eh. Diba? Ngayon tinitingnan yung compliance nila year after. So, ano pa yan? Hindi current kasi ang bilang niyan every year. Yung mandate kasi yearly compounded. At ang present percentage ng mandate is 2.52% nung total sales mo. Dapat yung total sales mo, 2.52% no, dapat galing sa renewables. So, ano yun, compounded annually yun. So, makikita yung compliances mo nung previous years. Sa ngayon, sa tingin ko, pinag-aaralan pa nito yun. Kasi, in any compliances, pag may nakita na non-compliant, siyempre mayroong due process. May mga issuance ng mga show cause letter. Tapos pag nakita na, non-compliant ka, mag-penalize ka. Mag-MR pa yung mga yan. Siyempre, ganun may proseso yan eh. Pero, in any event na kulang sila, pag hindi pa rin sila nag-comply, papatong lang yan sa susunod. Hindi nila matatakasan yung mandate nila. Until such time, na pag delinquent na sila, baka yung penalty nila, financial at saka criminal na may kulong na.
So it's the people naman. Baka sir, pagdating ng time na yun, yung mga GM and other board nila, iba na. Mahamol pa ba yun?
Sino yung responsible?
Sino yung responsible na at that time na term? Siyempre nahabulan. Hindi mo pwedeng prospective.
Bagong hire.
Last na lang from my end,
Sige ba,
kay Sir Galing. Na-mention ni Ma'am Kaina about support of local government units para mapadasig ang endorsements sa projects. Sa parts ng province, ano ang effort niya kahit iba? City lang ang kasunod sa IWOS. So, anong efforts ng provincial government to encourage our LGUs na they should enroll sa IWOS?
Thank you, Ma'am Perla. That's a good question. So we have taken initiatives with IECs. We have requested assistance from the Renewable Energy Management Bureau to roll out yung EBOS natin, ma'am, sa municipalities natin. So we actually had one workshop last week, but we will have future workshops kasi we're also pushing naman for the full implementation of EBOS. Kasi as you know, ma'am, we're also supporting the LGUs in the projects na pumunta dito ng mga investors. So this is one way to streamline the process. So we will keep you informed. Maybe we can invite you, one of our IECs, ma'am.
But yung target, if kailan pwedeng ma-enroll lahat ng mga LGUs?
Yung target niyan, ma'am, essentially, we are trying to push either late this year or early next year. We are working with REMB right now, ma'am. Kasi ang REMB ang nagro-roll out yan, and we are lucky kasi very compliant naman yung REMB. We will be having another session this year, ma'am, for that rollout.